human activity has driven the world into a mass extinction crisis, with more than 1 in 5 species now at risk of disappearing forever. If we fail to act, this number could surge to 50% by the end of the century. Yet amid this looming disaster, science is offering a radical solution. Through cloning and genetic engineering, scientists are pushing the boundaries of possibility by working to revive species long lost to extinction. Curious about what might be next? While dinosaurs remain out of reach, let's explore 10 remarkable species scientists are actively working to bring back from the brink. Number 10. Saber-toothed tiger. The saber-toothed tiger was a symbol of primal power, once dominated the landscapes of North and South America. Renowned for its colossal, curved canine teeth, this fearsome predator thrived until its extinction around 10,000 years ago, a casualty of shifting climates and dwindling prey. Despite its fierce moniker, the saber-toothed tiger was no kin to modern tigers. Rather, its closest surviving relatives are the elusive clouded leopards, sharing a similarly distinctive skull. Unearthed fossils from iconic sites like the La Brea tar pits have unveiled 7 unique species of this majestic hunter. Now, on the cutting edge of biotechnology and genetic research, scientists stand at the threshold of reviving this ancient predator, tantalizingly close to breathing life back into a legend long lost to time. Number 9. The woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth was a towering giant of the Ice Age, once roamed the frozen tundras of Asia, Europe, and North America, a symbol of resilience against a harsh world. Weighing up to 6 tons, these majestic creatures were armed with long, spiraled tusks and dense fur, perfectly adapted to the icy climates they called home. Though most vanished with the end of the Ice Age, a small population clung to existence on Wrangel Island until just 4,000 years ago. Now, in an extraordinary fusion of ancient life and modern science, the woolly mammoth teeters on the edge of resurrection. Though an intact genome remains elusive, Colossal Biosciences is pioneering efforts to craft a hybrid species by incorporating mammoth DNA into an artificial womb. This scientific breakthrough could mark the dawn of a new era, one where the woolly mammoth may once again walk the earth. Number 8. The Thylacine. While many might dream of resurrecting dinosaurs, the ravages of time have rendered their DNA too degraded for revival. Instead, the focus has shifted to species lost in more recent history, like the Thylacine, whose resurrection may soon be within reach. Known as the Tasmanian tiger for the stripes adorning its back, the Thylacine was not a feline at all, but a marsupial predator. Once roaming the wilds of Australia, New Guinea, and Tasmania, it hunted under the cover of night, preying on kangaroos, small marsupials, and birds. Tragically, human intervention, particularly the culling of thylacines for threatening livestock, drove the species to extinction by the 1930s. Today, however, hope flickers anew. With a $15 million project underway, scientists are harnessing preserved DNA from a juvenile thylacine found in its mother's pouch to unlock the genetic code of this lost predator. If successful, the thylacine may one day prowl the wilderness once again, a testament to both human impact and the power of restoration. Number 7. The Siberian unicorn. The Siberian unicorn, scientifically known as Elasmotherium sibericum, may not resemble the fantastical creature of legend, but it holds a captivating place in the annals of paleontology. This massive, prehistoric rhinoceros, which roamed the earth some 36,000 years ago, bore a single large horn atop its head and weighed up to 4 tons. Unlike the graceful, mythical unicorn, this ancient giant was more akin to a living lawnmower, grazing on tough, dry grasses that dotted the steppe. However, as the climate shifted and its food sources dwindled, the Siberian unicorn failed to adapt, ultimately facing extinction. For centuries, misconceptions surrounded the timeline of its existence, until 2018, when scientists finally analyzed its DNA, unraveling the mystery of this forgotten beast. Now, with efforts underway to sequence its entire genome, we stand on the brink of not only potentially resurrecting this extinct titan, but also gaining crucial insights to protect today's endangered rhinos from a similar fate. Number 6. The Pyrenean ibex. In a stunning scientific breakthrough, the Pyrenean ibex became the first extinct animal to be temporarily brought back to life through cloning. Once plentiful in the Pyrenees, this majestic wild goat disappeared in 2000 after centuries of relentless overhunting, with the last known individual meeting a tragic end beneath a fallen tree. But in 2003, scientists defied the odds by cloning the species using frozen skin samples from that final ibex, embedding its DNA into domestic goat eggs. Of 208 implanted embryos, only one ibex was born, though it survived just minutes due to lung complications. Yet this fleeting moment was a monumental leap for de-extinction science, sparking new hope for the revival of lost species and shaping the future of conservation efforts. Number 5. The Aurochs. One of the most pivotal animals in human history, the Aurochs, Bos primigenius, stands as the formidable ancestor of all modern cattle and a keystone species that once shaped European ecosystems. Towering up to 6 feet tall at the shoulder and armed with long, imposing horns, the Aurochs roamed vast expanses of Europe, India, and North Africa during the Middle Pleistocene. Sadly, overhunting and habitat destruction led to its gradual decline, and by 1627, the species was declared extinct when the last Aurochs perished in Poland's Jaktora forest. Yet, its genetic legacy endures. In 2008, the Taurus program launched an ambitious effort to resurrect this ancient beast through a process called backbreeding, selectively crossbreeding ancient cattle breeds that closely mirror the Aurochs in size, behavior, and appearance. With scientists inching closer to success, the return of this iconic species could soon become a reality, reintroducing its powerful presence to the landscapes it once dominated. Number 4. The Irish Elk. The Irish elk, Megaloceros giganteus, was a true titan of the animal kingdom, claiming the title of the largest deer ever to walk the earth. Towering at an incredible 8.2 feet at the shoulder, it boasted antlers that stretched an astonishing 12 feet across and weighed up to 88 pounds, an awe-inspiring spectacle of natural grandeur. This giant roamed vast territories from Ireland to Siberia, its majestic presence shaping landscapes across Europe. Though the last known remains date back around 7,700 years in Western Russia, the species is believed to have gone extinct some 11,000 years ago, likely due to a combination of human hunting, habitat changes, and the sheer size of its antlers, which may have impeded its ability to evade predators. The allure of this prehistoric giant continues to captivate scientists, fueling excitement about its possible resurrection. Number 3. Moas. Moas were giant, flightless birds akin to elephant birds and stood as the largest terrestrial animals, dominating the herbivore niche in New Zealand's forests. Their extinction occurred approximately 100 years after the Maori established human settlements in the region. Recently, scientists at Harvard University achieved a significant milestone by sequencing the first nearly complete genome of the moa. This groundbreaking work, derived from the DNA extracted from a toe bone of a museum specimen, offers a glimpse into the potential revival of these extinct birds. While the genome still has some gaps, it represents an exciting initial step in the scientists' quest to resurrect the Moas. Number 1. The Steller's sea cow. The Steller's sea cow, named after German biologist Georg Wilhelm Steller, was first encountered during his 1741 expedition and was native to the Commander Islands in the Bering Sea. Unfortunately, this slow-moving mammal was hunted to extinction just 27 years after its discovery by Europeans due to its thick meat and skin. Growing up to 26 to 30 feet long and weighing as much as 11 tons, the Steller sea cow had thick skin to protect it from sharp rocks and ice, as well as to prevent its submerged skin from drying out. Its positive buoyancy made it incapable of fully submerging, making it an easy target for hunters. The sea cow's head was small in relation to its enormous body, featuring a broad upper lip that extended beyond the lower jaw, with no teeth, only a dense array of white bristles. In 2021, researchers successfully sequenced the sea cow's genome using DNA extracted from a well-preserved petrous bone found in the Kaliningrad Ocean Museum. That wraps up today's video. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.